Hello and welcome to Hypebeast National PR News. This is Chaitanya Muddam. India's homegrown Paytm Payments Bank Limited has announced that it has been included in the second schedule to the Reserve Bank of India Act 1934. Being a scheduled payments bank, Paytm Payments Bank can now explore new business opportunities. The bank can participate in government and other large corporations, issue requests for proposals, primary auctions, fixed rate and variable rate repos, and reverse repos, along with participation in marginal standing facility. The bank would now also be eligible to partner in government-run financial inclusion schemes. As part RBI Act 1934, banks satisfying the RBI, that is FS, are not conducted in a manner detrimental to the interest of the depositors are included in the second schedule. The IT pioneer that delivers storage as a service in a multi-cloud world today announced Flash Array XL, the newest member of the Flash Array family, designed for mission-critical platinum-tier enterprise applications from massive databases to containerized and cloud-native apps. Flash Array XL delivers unmatched performance and scale with a nearly 80% improvement in IOPS. With the pace of business only increasing, applications demand can shoot up in an instant, and the need for new apps to be deployed requires IT to work in hours, not months. Singapore Airlines is pleased to share that Singapore has been removed from the list of at-risk countries for international arrivals into India. With this new development, passengers arriving to India from Singapore will no longer be subjected to additional arrivals protocol specified for countries categories as at risk by the Indian authorities. These additional protocols include a mandatory on-arrival RT-PCR test and 7 days of home quarantine with a follow-up RT-PCR test on day 8. Heartfulness Institute will organize Geeta Jayanti celebrations on its virtual platform and encourages participation from all quarters in a part of their ongoing Geetopadesh program. Shri Pawan K. Varma, IFS, author, diplomat and former member of parliament, who will grace the occasion with his valuable thoughts on Geeta Jayanti. A book titled Tales from the Vedas and Upanishads, retold by Daji, will be released, wherein his key curatorial selection brings an array of ancient tales of adventure, quest and wisdom. The event will be held on Sunday, 12 December 2021 at 6 p.m. Thank you for watching Hypebeast National PR News. Stay tuned for the latest updates.